Namaste friends, this is Frew. Welcome back to my channel Frew's Craftivings. I hope you all are doing good. Valentine's Day is almost here, so I thought let's try something new on this Valentine's Day. You can try this at your home and this is very easy. You can give this to your loved ones. So let's begin. Here I am taking a large piece of newspaper and also I am taking a thin stick. I am rolling this newspaper using this stick from a corner. After rolling this, now I am using small amount of glue at this part, then stick this here. So guys, this is my newspaper stick. I made more like this. Here I am taking one stick. Now I am joining another stick with this. I am pressing on this. Now I am rolling this from here. Now I am making a newspaper coil. This is so easy. Just use some amount of glue and stick it. Just roll this from this corner. Guys who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel because many more new things are coming soon. I will bring many videos for this Valentine's Day. So please subscribe and press the all notification button of the subscribe button. Use glue every time when you roll this newspaper stick because the glue is more essential for this making this newspaper coil. It makes this coil more secure and more stable. Here I am attaching more newspaper sticks for making a large coil of newspaper. This is a very easy DIY idea for this Valentine's Day. You must try this at your home. One by one I have added more newspaper sticks with this. So guys, this is my newspaper coil and this is completely ready now. Now I am going to the another step. Here I am taking a small piece of newspaper. Now I am rolling this from this corner. Here I am using a thin stick for rolling this easily. After rolling this, using glue at this part and now stick this. This is my small newspaper stick. I have made more newspaper sticks like this. Here I am taking a long piece of newspaper, using glue on this paper. Now I am sticking a newspaper stick. Again I am adding some glue here, attaching another newspaper stick on this. Now one by one I will add more newspaper sticks using glue. This is a very simple and easy process. After doing this, just let it dry. One by one you can do this. It's completely ready for another step. I am taking a scale and also I am taking a pen. Here I am making a straight line at the upper part of this area. Making another straight line using pen at the down part of this area. Then I am cutting this using a scissor, removing extra part from both sides. So now my cutting has done now. Let's turn it over. Using glue at the one side of this paper. Now I'm smudge this with my finger. Here I am taking this newspaper coil. Now I am sticking this with this coil. This newspaper coil is the main base of this newspaper basket. So now I am using glue here. After doing this, now I am sticking a newspaper stick on this. Stick the last part, then make it secure and let it dry. This is the main base of my newspaper flower basket. Let's go to the next step. Taking a newspaper stick and pressing this with my finger on this. Here I am taking the basket base. Using glue at the both ends of this newspaper stick. Then I am sticking this newspaper stick with this newspaper basket base. Taking small piece of paper and using glue. Now I am sticking this at the both corner of this newspaper handle. It will make this handle more secure and then let it dry. This is my newspaper basket base and this is ready for another step. Here I am using primer on all over its body, but I will not use this inside this basket. Just using this outside and on this handle. After applying this, just give it some time to dry this primer. Then I am applying acrylic color on this newspaper basket. Here I am using light yellow color on this. You can use any other colors, whatever you want. But you no need to use this color inside this basket because I have another plan. Here I am using light green color on this newspaper handle. Also I am using this on this border line of this basket. Here I am taking a round shaped craft paper. Now I am drawing a curved line using this pen. Make a design like this. Now I am taking this and also I am using a scissor for cutting this as per line. You can cut this easily with a scissor. So cutting has done. Now I am taking a stick and now I am rolling this using this sticks from this corner. Here I am making a cute rose flower. So my rolling has done now completely. Then I am using small amount of glue at the last part of this paper. Here I am sticking the whole paper roll on this. Then let it dry and now this is completely looks like a rose. It's looking so fresh. So guys, these are my fresh cute paper roses. Here I am taking the newspaper basket. I am applying glue all over the base of this newspaper basket. I am putting some piece of newspaper. I am covering whole basket using some pieces of newspaper. I have covered whole basket with these pieces of newspaper. Covering has done. Now I am using few amounts of glue on these pieces of newspaper. Sticking a green round shaped paper on this and let it dry. Taking a small piece of green paper, now I am folding this from the middle. Draw a half leaf shape using a pen. Now I am cutting this using a scissor. It has done now. This is the paper leaf. Here I am using glue on this round shaped paper on this basket. Attaching all the paper leaves on this. One by one I am doing this. After sticking all the leaves, now I am using glue on this. Attaching all cute paper roses on this basket. This is the first layer of paper roses, so I am attaching them one by one. After covering one side, then I am using glue another side of this basket and I am sticking all roses on this. Now I am attaching roses at the middle part of this basket. This is the second layer of these cute rose flowers. Here I am sticking a cute red rose at the middle. Now I am going to the next step. Here I am sticking all cute roses on this handle of the newspaper basket. Now I am covering these one by one with cute paper roses. Just use very little amount of glue and stick them one by one. I am covering all parts of this newspaper handle with cute roses. So guys, let's see the final look. This is the final look of Valentine's Day special paper flower basket. If you like this video, let me know at the comment section of this video. I hope you all are enjoying this video. So guys, if this video is helpful to you and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Many more Valentine's Day special videos are coming soon. Love you all guys. Take care. Stay happy. Stay cool. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye. See you soon.